And also, since the box doesn't give a clear depiction of each color, this is the brightest setting here. This is the next one. The next one is 4, which is similar to the color of the existing lights. Wait, we're gonna start again. That's the first. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna go here instead of extreme. So this would be bright white, not daylight, but bright white. All right. All I'm gonna do is, it's still connected on each side. Just gonna push it in. Just kind of maneuver it just a little bit like that, and it's in there. Not going nowhere. I could give you a comparison to what it looks like. Or if you don't want to do that, every time a bulb goes out, you have to remember what color bulb you have, and you can go to the store and replace the bulb. I don't want to do that.